2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 17,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.